in my whole generation, my papa, my papa, my papa, now only me see escape poverty small. Only me for our whole generation. When I want come climb that same me, say no, I suppose suffer. Only that me, where escape, where they chop no sweats. When I look, I no deserve no sweats. As my papa tell also reach, my papa also pass Buhari. I suffer so much, and you know enjoy one enjoyment from the government till today. One single enjoyment my papa no dey enjoy.
Hello my wonderful kings and queens, welcome back again to my channel. My name na Lady G. In case today na your first time when they come across this my channel and you never subscribe, abeg make you not forget to subscribe as you watch this video finish and click that notification bell for more updates so that anytime I upload new video now you go first they get my gist with that one. You know if they miss any of my gist. Yes, so my people, the gist, the story and the talk when I bring comfort now today now about Hushpuppi and Daddy Freeze. Hushpuppi matter not be news story again. We don't dey hear the matter for some days now. The thing they fly up and down for the whole social media. But what it can make am be like say the matter can come up again. Now people when come they attack Daddy Freeze because Daddy Freeze na person when be say he present himself or he say na he holy pastor, na he pass up pastor, say na he be pastor of pastor, say all the pastor when they for Nigeria most of them they be guy man o. So those titan offering when people they drop. Say all of them na LGBT. Say many people not do them again. In short, you can't even tell some people say they don't even they go church at all again. Say they fit stay inside their house, they do church. But what come make people come they attack and because all the things when he talk, he can't turn around, come they do that something. Less than 1 year, now that the Freeze go Dubai, go meet Hushpuppi, make them jolly together. They can't dine, they can't wine together. They can't carry when they call T-ball, we can't carry and follow body. They can't chop, they can't really enjoy themselves. Many people come they talk say, if Daddy Freeze go follow Hushpuppi chop, say what it can be the big deal, what it can be the new thing. Jesus self for inside Bible self, even follow people when be say they be tax collector and people when be say that they do jubility, follow them go chop. So what it can different from what Daddy Freeze can't do with Hushpuppi. That one be the real story, my people. What people usually mean, not be because say Daddy Freeze go, it not be that one be the main talk. The main talk when they ground be say why Daddy Freeze when they eat it come they roll mouth, they throw mouth to most of the Nigerians come they tell them say be like say hungry won't buy most of una, even our parents when be say them dey for village say hungry won't buy them because say Hushpuppi tell am say they pay less, not less than 700k for a driver when they carry and they waka. My people, I take hand hold my head when 700k for driver. He tell you say they pay less than, not less than 700k for a driver. And people when be say that they do clean and do different things, come measure the big money when they give them. You won't be Daddy Freeze, you don't feel wonder say which kind of work you dey do. Even Oga Bubu self, Buhari self, I'm not sure say they pay people when they for inside that house so rock. When they clean a house, when they do driver, they pay them that kind of money. You know ask and say which kind work when they do when they produce that kind of amount. E no finish for there. You go dey tell people say make dem comot shame for their eye, make dem come beg Hushpuppi make e give them work or give them small space because the thing when they pay driver and the cleaners, say people when they work for Central Bank, when be manager, when they get PhD, they know they get that kind. They know they get that kind of ego for a month. So now people come talk say now when come be say Kelebe they don't gbab Hushpuppi don't dey for inside hot soup now. Make it come out, come defend itself for wetin talk because now you talk say all those pastors say all of them na guy man. So wetin you go do for them? I no fit tell me say after you don chop finish, take mouth finish all the people when e dey for Naija because of Hushpuppi. You no fit tell me say Hushpuppi don drop egunje for you. But Daddy Freeze they deny say anything like egunje no dey. Say one kobo say Hushpuppi no give am. I don't know whether I fit believe that kind of word though. Go just go there, just take mouth, arrange am, carry am up, glorify am, then you go talk say no give you one kobo. Not be only that one. As some people come see the defense say if Daddy Freeze go follow Hushpuppi chop, wetin come happen now? Our Baba God self, Jesus, is still do am. Wetin come be the big deal? But me, I don't see any place when e be say when Jesus go follow all those people, tax collectors and different people, follow them chop for their house. Even when people they talk say Jesus not supposed to follow them chop, I don't see where when Jesus come follow them chop finish, he come they glorify them. Me, I don't see any place when they write that simple for Bible, because me, that person be say I like to read well. I never come across any place like that. Oh, I beg, if you be say you see any chapter when be say they write and say after Jesus don't follow them, die now eat finish, he come they glorify them, say make them write down, make them continue, they do their 419 or they do their LGBT way. Make una tell me I don't know my people. Now the one me I know, so now they talk. So e not finish for there. One thing again when I come still see for inside be say for that our obodo we like, that is now the thing we be say e get kele, the thing we not pure, the thing we not straight. Now we like the time when they hold this hush puppy, when we say matter just new start, when they talk say ekelebe they don't capture them or they don't buy them or they don't bundle them. I don't know as I will put the matter again. Many people come out for inside that this thing. Some celebrities they say, I stand with hush puppy. I stand with hush puppy. A true friend in need is a friend indeed. I stand with. They post different things. Una still stand with them. Now when it come be like say water don't pass garden. I don't see the kind of video when they say they release some few days ago. Never reach 2 days for here. Now when they release. When me I watch that video, enter my body. When me I watch that video, I shiv enter my body. Before you know it, all of them don't start to unfollow. This one they say they still stand. Una still stand with her, because if they know anybody when you stand with her now, you will come declare how you take they get all those bundles. All those people when I say that they carry bundles, come they display different things for Instagram. Most of them go talk say, na sing, na common sing that they sing, na a cloth na they say. They do all those ones. They will come they carry bundles. Fear them. Most of them they'll take all those things just cover face, because if to say this guy no come out. If we don't know say some kind things they when be say we not go fit talk for here. Anyway, hush puppy not carry on command talk say in get wetin they do this one, they do that. But anybody when be say get common sense will know say this guy way he not pure. They say every day night monkey they go market. One day if monkey go market, he not go come back again. Many people are still surprised when they see what people see, they comment, what people see, they talk for this matter. So they say, not be new thing now. If it do not be new thing, because it never happened to you. If it happened to you, you will know how it be. If you be say you don't work, all your life savings, one person will come from nowhere on no person. You go just take back hand, kele the whole things. You don't get hope, you don't get anything. You go even they think of to collect, that is collect your life. You will know say na big deal. People when it happen to, they know what I'm saying. If it never happened to you, pray make it not happen to you. Because if it happened to you, it only take the grace of God for you to overcome it. But one question when they ask me, say, why be say now only bad thing, now we they like, now we they praise, now we they carry up for that night. Why be say, when be say, if not good thing, don't they carry up. The way this hush puppy can they do this matter for social media, they carry up. It can't even be like say other people when it be say that they do clean work. They not even feel come present themselves. Come be like say God. They come be like say Baba God. They cheat them. Say now only this hush puppy prayer now they answer. Many people they look up to them. They won't be like him, but nobody care to know how it be like that. For Daddy Freeze to come out to talk say he no know say this thing when hush puppy they do say the thing he not pure. He can't still take him mouth again. Start to the road. They throw mouth to people. They take Bible verse. They cover up. They back and up. If you go follow it, who are you to ask? You know or anybody explanation, because you know say many people self they know they read Bible. Even many people they go church, they know that's when they call Bible. You know many of them they know they even they open and waiting pastor talk, he go finish for them. Don't use and confuse them. Now when people when constantly know the Bible, constantly come out, constantly answer and constantly give out their own verse. Now later he come pipe low, come they talk say for real he they sorry because he himself he don't know say hush puppy na guy. How you go talk say you don't know say na guy man? Person go come carry bundles for inside that obodo Nigeria. Be say people don't see something eat one day. Most people know say that hush puppy say na G. Say na G na it be. Many people know why, because if all those people come they show all those things just because they do give away of 500 naira, 200 naira, they go see their amount. They not go great talk. They go see their amount. They not go just the way where our politicians when we say that they embezzle all our money, give them 1 tuber of yam and 2 cup of rice. Take and buy their birthright. They go see their amount. They go say, oh yeah, make you go. After 1 year, when you don't vote them, when you don't start to the rule, they don't vote, they complain, say, hey, no good. As the government be, now so the people be. If you look at when the way where the people be for the country, now so the government be, they fit each other. In short, not be saying our cause, that our country, it get very, very long way to go. e get long way to go. They don't know. They go see bad, they go dey clap hand. Wetin no good na only that one that they clap hand put. They no go caution that person say this thing when you dey do so you dey go out of track, this thing you dey go astray, this thing e go backfire you later. They no go talk. Even we when we say we be the now we dey pass the message for social media, now we dey talk the thing say like this, the person no do am well, the person have to cross check his life, cross check everything, say this thing when they do so e no go lead down to a good place. Now the same people, just because they give away, they go run come and say fake news, mind your business, na jealousy na you dey. They go dey talk different things. They no go let you take mouth touch that person at all. They no go even let you to tell that person say that thing when they do say na wrong something, just because they give away. Many people come dey accuse this that the freeze. Now they come to say as you go there now you go eat, as you eat finish you drink finish, take mouth finish the whole youth, finish the whole people when dey for Nigeria. You wan tell me say as you dey comot say Hushie, that is Raymond, because na that one be name. When this matter come out, many name come out say e get plenty name. Apart from Hushie people when we know and put, e get many other name. E no give you a gunja. He say no. He say 1 kobo, say they no give am or anything when be 1 kobo. Say Hushpuppi no drop for am. My people will not believe. After all those glorify, when you don't glorify, you don't praise them, you don't take mouth lift am up, you just come up for there. Hushpuppi no go just give you 1 naira. My people, I beg now go judge that matter. So my people, if you say make una look am, we still get long way to do until we go start to dey reason together. We go dey reason straight, because if you look am, no be the government mostly, no be them be the problem of that Nigeria. Now the citizen and them, now they are not ready for anything. Now only the one when be say be already made, now they want, and they don't care anyway when you take it. I just want make and want make, and that's why I will make and rich. And now so I want me I be like this person. I don't care how you do, I ain't not do. And again, this that the freeze when be say they talk say pastor na this, pastor na this, pastor na this, take man finish all of them say na be holy of holiness. Make una not get me wrong, I know they try to tell and say all the pastors na number 1 and they be for that Nigeria. I know say the one way no good then they, the one way still good still dey for inside, not be all of them, but now the one be say e no good, na plenty pass for inside. Not be that one be the matter one come talk for here today. But that the freeze when be say e take mouth finish everybody, finish all of them, na be everything, na be holy of holiness, na pure pass, na know everything. Why it can't be say you no fit tell this guy say wetin they do say na the wrong way, wetin in they do when they get all those things when they display everything. Even the hush people follow, many people make problem. Say all the celebrity get some when be say they follow them make problem, but some of the celebrities still they when be say they be 5 and 6. Most of them now this matter don't come out now. Hush people, all of them shocking. They won't follow and quick. Many when we see that they take pictures together. Now why they mention names for here now. Many of our celebrities, musicians, senators, different one, all of them that they worship and that they praise them. Which kind of country we come from? Which kind of country be that? Now only that country now say one person when they do something when e no clean, he go they bring and come out proudly say yes. Now this thing ain't being a 19 and G-man. He go they show everybody go they see him. Only that country. We don't get single shame for her. All of them now, most of them, they're shocking. They don't unfollow and they don't be friends. If those people were to come out today say, who really know Hushpuppi? Say when be say they be tight friends, they don't eat the wine together. Many people go deny and say they never even hear that kind of name for their life before. I bet make we try make our way straight. Make we try, because if we want make the country better, now our hand today it starts from us, not be from the government. Because the way we take, they say the way you make your bed, so you lie on it. When I not fit talk, so now want government to be better, when be so una self una not even ready for betterment. They go give una small giveaway, they go give una small cup of rice, they go give una 1 tuber of yam, una go just leave everything made like that. Una no talk, una no want anybody talk, una just want them every. If not the way that they praise this Hushpuppi, they praise them, that they worship them. I'm not sure say for they do all those things every time. As they praise and won't do more and more so that he go see, can't show them for social media. Those one are role model. Those one are influencer. My people, I beg. I know if you talk everything when they for my mind. If I say make I talk today, they go break. So I don't want to make this video too long. So anything when you think about this Hushpuppi and that the freeze, maybe say people come they attack, they now come to say that the freeze, you know do what say you don't double cross waiting they preach. Just drop your comment below. As your comment section. Anything when be say you just think or waiting you not agree, just leave your comment, my people. Now here I go roll up this video today. I hope to see you now for my next video when not to take for now. If you never subscribe, I better not forget to subscribe so that you will get more updates for any video when I upload. And for those of you now when don't already subscribe, God will bless you now, appreciate you now. So my people, now here I go leave you now today. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.